Okay, y'all, we doing something completely different. This is basically going to be the determining factor of if I keep my hair short or start this growing process that I know you guys are waiting for, because your girl can grow her hair back in like 2 seconds. I'm about to attempt finger waves. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So you guys, let me close the window. Okay, so you guys, yeah, we doing something different today. I'm gonna get right into it. I didn't put any moisturizer on my hair, y'all, because I really don't know what I'm doing, and I didn't know if like the moisturizer was going to like affect. Why is my water bottle acting janky?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I'm irritated. Brief intermission. Why in the freak is my water bottle not working? Okay. I am back, y'all. I freaking had to wet it like in the sink because I don't know where my sister put her water bottle. She probably hid it because I like to take it. Okay, leaving. So you are supposed to moisturize your hair. I kind of knew that, but I think I was just being lazy. Y'all, I am nervous. Okay. Let me put some in the big. I am so freaking nervous. Okay. 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 So, whew, there's water dripping on my face. So what we will be using today, don't quote me, I don't know what I'm doing. This is an attempt. Handy dandy comb. My favorite foam, Creamy Nature Argan Oil, and this one. The reason why I got this one, I've never used this one. This one's the crystal version. I never used this Eco Styler. I always use other ones, but this girl said that one didn't flake on her. So yeah, I'ma listen. Okay, do a little part that everybody be doing. What in the heck? Okay, so we gonna do the little, oh, you can see me better like this. Do a little part. Oh my gosh, I haven't parted my hair since I cut it. Hold on. Okay. Woo! This is gonna be fun. Complete fail. And I'm actually supposed to be going out right after this. So, y'all see how I like to experiment right before I do something that, like, whatever. Okay. Is that part good, y'all? No, it's not. I don't know. Tiana! Real quick, can you open the door? Is this part okay? Shit. Yeah, she wants to be out there with y'all, but she's scared. Is this part okay? Or should it be lower?
Just try to clean it up a little bit.
But it's hot. It's okay. Like, yeah. The hot. Okay. Add some sauce. Oops, sorry. Oh.
What about you, Romeo?
Who, me?
You know, back in the 60s when black man used to burn it.
Wow. Yeah, did y'all hear that? She just, wow. Okay.
Everybody said the finger waves, including me.
Well, y'all, guess what? I'm going back in time. Way back. I think that's better. I think this is what she meant by cleaning it up. Okay. Okay. So now I'm about to take the phone. I do look like I'm back. Oh my Gigi. This bottle is full. If y'all know me, I go through foam. Well, before I was bald. Oh, my hair looks pretty. Pretty ugly. Okay. About to comb the foam in. If y'all know me, y'all know I love to slick some stuff down with a comb. I keep saying if y'all know me. Okay. I might have to do this in layers, but. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Which is okay, because I'm ready to grow my hair back anyways. But like, you know, I just wanted to try it. Just wanted to try it. I'm putting more foam on once I put this on. Okay, so I'm about to get the gel, y'all. Oh my god. This is funny. This is funny. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that? Tiana. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
It looks so funny.
You look like somebody's mama.
Period, poo. This is fun. This is so fun. Come get at me if you want some finger waves. I'ma just put the back down. Hopefully nobody really looking at the back like that. Of course they gonna look at the back. That's what people do. They just stare at you and just try to find something that's gonna be wrong, you know? That is people for you. Okay. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Okay. We are in there like swimwear. This is a lot of products, y'all. If this don't work out, I'm gonna cry. Cause like, I mean, I could just wash it out in like 2 seconds, but okay. It's already 7 minutes. I ain't do shit. Okay. Let's try with this side first. So I'm going to. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. Children. Okay, so this is my problem. I just realized what my issue is. I don't know how to do the little second side. Now I can just go one way, but like how you do the other. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this side. How the freak do girls do this? Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, okay. Okay, so maybe. Okay, okay. We're just about to try a whole nother style, y'all. Gonna just name this video something else. This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. Embarrassing. What in the heck? Like, what is this? I wonder if I can just keep it like this without washing it. If I just comb everything out. Well, I am definitely, yeah. I am definitely growing my hair back. This is not for me. I mean, the purpose was to grow my hair nicely anyways. But like, once I cut it, I started feeling myself a little bit. Whew. Okay, what? And that is all, folks. I'm about to wash this out real quick so I can hurry up and actually try to do it. But yeah, complete fail. Like, okay, well, that is all, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And now I'm about to show you guys how to grow your hair back down to your back. I'm about to show you guys. So, hey, stay tuned.